This is dried guava leaf. So if you are going to be preparing this remedy, you have and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of coming across my video or seeing my face, you are highly welcome to this channel. My name is SA Unique. So today I want to share a very powerful home remedy for you, especially for the men. If your doctor have told you that you have a watery sperm and you can't be able to pregnant your wife, no. This remedy today is going to help you to say no to that with the grace of God. In less than 2 weeks, this remedy is going to help you to boost up your sperm count, to be able to pregnant your wife, to make your sperm count to be very thick and very fertile. Okay? So, if you are a woman watching this video, if your husband is suffering from this problem, low sperm count and weak erection, this remedy is for you. Prepare it for your husband. Also, if you are a man watching this video and you are suffering from this problem I just mentioned, this remedy is for you. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end to see this amazing home remedy I'm going to share with you today to boost your sperm count. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and also turn on the post notification, which is that bell icon up there. Turn it on so when next I upload any amazing video, you will be notified. Let's continue. Guys, to prepare this low count remedy, the first thing I will be needing is carrot. This is 3 large carrots, medium size or large. So what you are going to be doing is just to peel off your carrot. So after peeling the carrot, what you are going to be doing is just to slice it. Make sure your carrot is properly washed because you are going to be drinking this. Make sure you wash it properly before you peel off the skin and slice it, okay? So now after slicing it, I'm just going to get a pot. Like I used to say, get old pot, because I use old pot for all my natural remedy, especially this herb, because they stain pot a lot. So you just put the carrot into the base of the pot. So after putting this, I will get my next item, which is the guava leaf. This is dried guava leaf. So if you are going to be preparing this remedy, you have to get dry guava leaf. Don't get the fresh one. So normally in Africa, they advise us when you are going to be using all this herb, they will advise not to wash. But because you are going to be taking this into your body, you have to wash it. So I just remove it just like this. Remove it one by one. I'm not going to be getting too much. Just remove it, then make sure I put them into the water and wash. Okay? Just watch me as I do it. Now I'm washing it, but not just squeeze the leaf so that they will not just peel off, or make sure you wash it very well. Okay, so this is it. I'll just put it into my pot also. Make sure the guava is on top of the carrot. So make sure you have enough water. Pour in enough water to the pot to cook it very well. Now you see I have enough water in here. So now I'm going to be taking it to my gas cooker to cook this for 35 minutes to 40 minutes. I want it to be properly cooked. So after cooking for 30 to 35 minutes, this is the color, this is how it looks like. So it's going to be, you're going to be leaving this till in the evening. You prepare it in the morning, then you leave it till in the evening before you start drinking it to allow it to ferment properly. So what you are going to be doing after fermenting properly, you are going to get a cup and a strainer. You pour it inside, strain it. You are going to be taking this, strain it. You can see the color how it is. This is how it's going to be looking like. So you are going to strain it and put it in 1 glass cup. You are going to be taking this 1 glass cup in the morning on an empty stomach and 1 glass cup in the night after eating your dinner. You are going to be taking that also. So you are going to take this for 1 week, which is 7 days. You take it for 1 week. Then after 1 week, you give a little period, which is after 1 week, you allow the following 1 week. Don't take anything for the following 1 week. Then the next 1 week, you take this tea for 7 days again. If you don't understand how I explain, the first 1 week you will take this. Throughout the 1 week, take this morning and night. Then the second week, don't take anything. Then the third week, you start taking it again for that 7 days, from the beginning of the week to the end of the week, which is 7 days. So while taking this, make sure you stay away from intercourse to allow a proper build-up for your low count, to allow it to be very healthy, to build it properly. So you stay away for 1 week, which is that first week that you are taking this tea. Make sure you don't meet your wife. Just stay away from intercourse. Then the second week you can do it. Then the third week, when you are also taking it again, don't do anything. Also stay like that. Don't do anything, so that it will be building your sperm to be able to be to stop being watering, to be very healthy and strong. So this is for just the first 1 week. The other week that you are going to be taking it, you also get some amount of guava leaf also, then some carrot, just like the way I prepared it just now. Also get it like that, and also do it because you are going to be taking the tea for another week. But when you prepare this in the morning, allow it to stay for some time to infuse properly before you start drinking the water, so that it will be very beneficial. It will give you all the vitamin, all the things you want. Okay, so this is it. So this is it, guys. Just like as I explained just now, if you really follow this step I just showed you, I explained, you are coming back to testify, because I know this guava leaf and carrot recipe is going to help you to boost up your sperm, to be able to be fertile. That watery sperm that you have been noticing, that you have been seeing, it will stop being watery. It will be built up to be very healthy, strong, for you to be able to pregnant your wife, or even if you don't want to pregnant your wife, for you to be able to be okay. And if you are having a weak erection, this is also going to stop it. So this is it. Just follow the step I just showed you, but don't use fresh guava leaf. Make sure it is dried guava leaf that you are using. Okay? If you have any question you want to ask, follow me on my IG, which is my Instagram handle, and my Facebook page. Give me any question you want, I will answer you. And if you have been watching my videos since you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and also turn on the post notification, which is that bell icon up there, so that whenever I upload any amazing video, you will be notified. See you all in my next one. Bye.